Hey, Lawn Dogs, Floyd with Ulnar Outdoors. Hey, another Jamaican series, number 3. Zip lining in the rain. Well, you'll see. YouTube, play my intro. How's it going, man?
It's good, man. If you've been around Jamaican every day, you're gonna start feeling like a Jamaican. I'm telling you.
Yeah, man.
That's what I've heard you. You're here too long.
Oh, yeah. I put a little tightness there.
Hey, Pop, don't worry about the big guy. You're good. You're good. You're good.
Oh, I know I'm good.
You good? Are the kids ready?
Yes.
Okay, you're good. There we go. All right. Yeah.
Woo!
Up on the box. How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Wonderful.
I gotta record everybody if I can.
How much is up?
There's 5.
5?
4 more behind me. I have 5. Yeah, that's fine with me.
Only 4 more leave over there?
Huh?
Only 4?
Only 4 more. I know, I didn't think I was gonna slow down.
Come on, about. Where you guys from?
Stand up, stand up.
Oh, shut up.
No, shut up, what?
I'm from Michigan too.
No, you're not.
I'm from Traverse City.
No.
He knew Traverse City.
Traverse City is.
You better get out of the way, they're
I'm
coming.
from there.
She's not waiting for you.
He said because I'm from there.
Come on, box. No, my mom used to live there.
Your mom used to live in Traverse City.
Really?
And she worked at Grand Traverse Resort.
Really? That was where we spent our honeymoon.
Grand Traverse Resort?
Yeah.
It's nice. I've only been there once.
It's cold right now.
No, I don't like snow.
Yeah.
Too cold.
That's why we're here.
Oh no! Oh shit! Jesus Christ.
Hi. I told you what? I didn't care. I was gonna
You're
crash.
going to hell. Yeah. She's like, hi.
How you doing?
Come on, stand in the box.
You better hurry up before Brian comes.
Oh, God. Yeah, that's a... He's going to be talking to us because his
Here he
mom's
comes.
from Silver City. Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't care.
No, she's not from there.
Oh,
She used to
she
live
used to
there.
live there.
Yeah.
Well,
She's
Why would-
Jamaican.
why'd she live there?
Oh,
Good answer.
She's my friend. She's okay. Yeah, we
Look
did
at-
yesterday. You all right?
Yeah.
You sure you're sober today?
Yeah.
But remember, you can't drink and see.
Yeah.
Oh, watch it now. You watch.
You need to buy a wrong thing, huh?
Real?
Oh, jeez.
No, it's Vernon. It's not Jesus. It's Vernon. Yeah. And the other one, we're going to see Jesus on the last one. Yeah. Yeah, we got Jesus on the last one for you. You ready? So don't worry, alright? It's okay. It's okay to scream. Goodness. Oh, we after this zip line, we will go a little further. Oh, you're the freestyler.
That's right.
Yeah? I saw you freestyling. What the ding dong now? Come on up.
Oh, this one don't even go that far.
Yeah, this one is like from over here to the other side.
Let me get that for you.
Thank you, man. Yeah, that's why you got muscles. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Come on up now, homie.
Oh boy. Got the test tackle.
You can stand up on it. Yeah, you gotta make sure you put them in one place. Yeah. Don't get them mismatched, man. What a man! That's what I'm telling you about!
He deserves half the stuff he gets sometimes.
What are you trying to say? He's a troublemaker?
He is. He's,
Oh.
he's our troublemaker.
Alright, come on, step it off. Alright, come on up. Alright, open the box, bro. Oh. There you go. Alright, professionals from around here.
Mr. Spread them legs. How you doing?
Mr. Spread him legs, he remembers you.
Hey, yeah. Who would forget that? Sit down.
Sit down.
Go. Come on, man. Oh my God. Oh my God.
That's we just
Sit. Go. Jeez, man. You good?
yeah, I'm
Don't
good.
worry, the rubber tree. Jamaican rubber tree. You good? Next time
I
you
don't
hit it,
feel like rubber.
your bones right off it.
We got 1, 2, 3, right? 2.
So long back, we're out here zip lining in the rain in Jamaica, Mom. Look at that. Oh my gosh, poor Plow. Last one, they just started jumping down like crazy. We're stoked. I was looking to wait.
I got you, don't worry. We got you, fun size. We got you. We got you.
That's why he wears that leather glove.
We got you, fun size. We got you. Ready? Bye-bye. Wait, no, wait, what? There you go, bro. Up on the box. There you go.
Oh, let me pull this up.
Oh my, oh my God. Wait, don't move, don't move, don't move.
Fluff your dress, sir?
You are definitely loose, bro.
Really?
Oh my gosh, you can't put this guy anywhere.
I told you he came off.
So worried about his camera.
I know it wasn't.
He's hanging that one leg up there.
All right. Ready?
Yep.
There you go, bro. Yeah, come on. Woo! Stand up, please. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, he can't.
You get man, too many fun.
Camera.
Oh my God! I hope you wasn't drowning in your mouth.
Oh, no.
It's movie water.
So, lawn dogs, we are in the middle of the Jamaican Rain Forest. We just got done zip lining in the pouring rain. Anyway, we are heading back. Probably missed our bus, so it's going to be a long walk back in the rain. All right, babe? All right. Hey, always give maximum effort, be kind to everyone.
Not a problem.
Not a problem.
Just a situation.
Just a situation. We'll talk about that one later. Peace.